Hello my creative friends, thank you for your appreciation to my channel. Now I will show you how to make satin fabric earring. Beautiful, isn't it? I hope you like it and enjoy this video. And don't forget to press the bell button and put like, subscribe, comment and share my video. And now let's prepare the material for making the earring. Materials are satin fabric, scissors, lantern, thread and needle, pearl, hatpin, ear hook, bead cap, pliers, glue and glue gun. First step, you make a pattern and with the diameter 7 cm. You take a fabric and you copy. And then you cut like this. You take a lantern and you melt the edges of the fabric so that it's not the string. You take 2 circles and you fold into 2 parts in half. You fold again. You fold in half and you fold again. And you put it together. This is open, this is closed. You put like this. Okay. Take thread and needle and you are going to sew. And you fold again and you sew like this. You cut. You take hat pin and you insert here. Like this. You take glue and you glue. You insert bead cap and pearl. Like this. You cut. And you bend. And you insert the ear hook and you secure. The satin fabric earrings has been done. Thank you. Bye bye.